Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating world of radial bar charts and learn how to create them step by step in Tableau Public. Radial bar charts are a visually appealing way to represent data and provide valuable insights. So let's dive in. In order to create radial bar chart, we will create two circles, one inside the other. We will divide each of them into n equidistant points. For example, here I want to show the sales of each month over the last year. So, I will divide the circle into 12 points. Each corresponds to 1 month. Each point has a specific central angle measured from the horizontal, with a constant angle spacing which is theta, to make them equidistant and on the same circle. We can calculate theta as the total circle angle, which is 360, divided by 12, which is the total points. We do the same with the outer circle, but this time, the radius will be the inner circle radius, plus the month sales value. Each point has x and y coordinates, which can be calculated using the radius of the corresponding circle, and the cosine or sine of the central angle. After that, we join the points of each month together to give us our visually appealing bar chart. And here is our chart. Let's jump to Tableau and start creating it with each other. Here we are in Tableau. We will start by connecting to our dataset. Our data contains information about products, sales, and profit for a fictitious company. Now, our data is connected successfully. We will start by creating our first calculated field. We name it Index. This field is just a counter. I will drag every field we created together into a table, to easily follow up with me, and see what is going around. So, let's drag Index to the rows field and convert it into discrete. Let's drag also the order data into rows field and adjust its formats so that it only shows the month and year portions. We go and create the second calculated field, which is angle. It is the central angle of each point on our inner, or outer circle, as explained in the previous section. We calculate it as the total circle angle, which is 360 divided by the total months we have. Here we have 48 months, which corresponds to 4 years, from 2014 to 2017. So, we divide 360 by 48, and multiply it by index field. We now expect that each point is away from the other by 7.5 degrees. And here it is. But there is something: we need to convert the angle to radians, in order to let Tableau correctly calculate the angle cosine and sine that we will need. Great. Now, we need to duplicate our dataset. To do this, we go to our data source and click on this drop-down arrow. Then, we choose Convert to Union. We drag our dataset again into here and click Apply. Now our total rows are doubled. We go back to our sheet. Let's create a new calculated field. Let's name it Path. This field is just to distinguish between our two tables. We give it a value of 0 if the table name is Superstore Dataset, and a value of 1 if any other value. Then, We go and create new parameter. We name it inner radius. This is an integer representing the radius of our chart inner circle. Let's give it a current value of 20,000. Let's create another field with name outer radius. This field will be the inner radius if we are in the first table, where path order equals 0. And it will be the inner radius plus our monthly sales, if path order equals 1. Now, we need to create the x and y coordinates for all points. We create a new field and name it x. This is equal the outer radius, multiplied by the cosine of our angle. We then create a new one called y, but we use the angle sign at this field. Finally, we create a new sheet. We drag x and y to the rows and columns fields. We need to drag the path order and the order months to the detail section. We adjust x and y so that they are computed using order month. Then, convert the chart type in line. And here is our chart. We've reached the end of this tutorial on creating a radial bar chart in Tableau Public. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to create stunning visualizations using Tableau Public. Feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching.